welcome back to Nilsson Guitars. We're going to be Mr. Shakingham today because my usual spot on the table has been taken over by the Christmas tree. This is unfortunately it's another update video rather than a doing video. I have got the SG body sanded down to 3000 grit, so you can see there's quite a nice sheen there. I was hoping the next step was polishing, but however, of course, I have managed to sand through in a few places. Now this isn't so bad. You can see that there, that light spot. Yeah, it wouldn't be the end of the world. Unfortunately, the neck, in the course of sanding, has a streak down it, and those shoulders of the, these bits here on the edges on the heel of the neck have sanded through. So. Yeah, this is getting frustrating now, but I think I'm gonna, I thought about, I could just leave it and polish it and just ignore it, but I can't do that. I can't possibly do that. That would be bad. So I need to just put some more stain in there and on there, and then probably redo the lacquer again. I'm hoping it won't require too much. It certainly gets grubby now it's shiny. Like, as soon as I put my greasy mitts on it, yeah. But you can see there's quite a nice sheen. So I'm really hoping this is the way we go for getting a decent polish on it. Yeah, so that's good, and I think the neck looks good. So it certainly bodes well. It's just there's still a lot of finishing still to do. Yeah, you can see the kind of light reflecting down the neck. And the headstock looks really happy with the headstock. I mean, that logo is kind of just faded in. Yeah, so yeah, we're nearly there. No progress on anything else at the moment, unfortunately. Just been busy with work. But I hope to get some more time to do projects. Look at these greasy fingerprints. Like I don't know why my fingers are so greasy. Anyway, I did try and clean it off just before I started the video, but apparently I have, in the course of touching it, that's it. It's all over the place. So yeah, it's looking good. I've got sort of, these are all gunked up, so these are going to need tidying up when we're finished. I don't know whether the pickups will still fit, but when it's together, it doesn't look too bad. I think it's a nice snug fit now with that lacquer on there. It's a very snug fit. As you can see, the neck pocket goes in, but you can see where those issues on the heel of the neck, or the base of the neck here, you can really see them. So I think it makes sense that we get those sorted. And this is gonna, I mean, it wouldn't be a problem, but I think it's going to stand out against the black pickup control cover, cavity cover. So yes, we will be doing another few layers, and hopefully then I'm going to just try and, I'm hoping the body is so smooth now that applying lacquer to it will just need like a 1000, 2000 grit, rather than being, where did I start with this one? So this is 800, 1000, 1500, 2000 and 3000. I think definitely ended on 3000 and it started on 800. So there are points, if I go in close here, can you see that we've got this kind of powdery, this sort of white powdery stuff. There seems to be kind of oh, my doorbell's going. I'm going to have to stop. All right, sorry about that. Where were we? Yes, I was talking about the just this kind of, it's like almost the residue from the wet sanding has kind of embedded itself within the you see that there? If I just, this white dot here, and there's in various places, very strange, but I can't seem to get it to move. I don't know whether I need to sand it more, but anyway, so we'll see what happens. So yes, more lacquering, more wet sanding, and I'm hoping we'll be done. We'll be able to polish it. Yeah, it's just that this, I mean, I think it all comes down to the preparation of the wood. I clearly haven't prepared it properly, so the lacquer has applied, maybe it has applied evenly, but the wood surface is uneven, so we're ending up with an uneven result. So yeah, there may not be much I can do about it. Maybe I can't, but I'll give it one more go, one more round of this. But I don't really want to spend another 3 or 4 hours wet sanding this thing. But yeah, I'm going to try and start from higher grit and see whether it just needs to be kind of leveled off. I think it looks good. I'm pleased with how the rest of it is looking. It's just a case of trying to nail the perfectionist in me wanting to nail it. But maybe this is first time and we just accept that there are some issues. I mean, overall it looks loads better than the Les Paul I did, that's for sure. So yes, that's where we are. I'm hopefully going to get a chance to do this at some point soon, but yeah, it's not been very busy guitar wise here at Nielsen Guitars. So yeah, thanks very much for watching, and yeah, just wanted to let you know I'm still alive. I still want to be building out videos, but unfortunately not entirely possible at the moment to do one a week. So let's yeah, see how we go. But thanks for watching, everyone. Bye bye.